Hi, I'm Viveka. For me, the three elements of being a successful facilitator are that one being that you have to be really good at bringing people together, being quite open minded, at the same time organized about how to facilitate conversations and hold space for other people. Another is, of course, being a good communicator and knowing how to present the material that you're facilitating within the group in a way that's easy for people to understand and analyze and take forward. Another element of being a successful facilitator is serving a community, understanding how, in the long term, what you're facilitating, people can take forward into their own spaces. An example where I had to facilitate a workshop was where I was working with a group of performers, theatre performers, and helping them get in touch with well being practices that can help them deal with the stressors that they have to deal with every day, going into their line of work, being rejected, or being, having to push themselves. And I found it really interesting to work with this kind of group of diverse people from different backgrounds who came together, teaching them the material I needed to, but also giving space for them to communicate with each other and within the group in a safe but really productive way. A positive impact I've made is through, for example, this group of theater goers is that I gave them space to understand where they need to take care of themselves and how to even reach out and communicate and form communities for each other to support themselves. And I found that the same workshops that I've done over time have helped people take that forward into their own practices and form communities